Hello students, welcome to Get to Know with Sonali. Today I have come up with a very simple yet so important general knowledge quiz. So let's begin. So national song of India is Vande Mataram. This is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National anthem of India is Jana Gana Man, written by Rabindranath Tagore. National flag of India is tricolor or Tiranga. We call it Tiranga. Tiranga. National animal of India is Bengal tiger. National bird of India is peacock. National flower of India is lotus. National tree is banyan tree. Don't get confused with neem. Many people think that it's neem. No, it is banyan tree. National game is hockey. National river, very easy, Ganga. National capital is New Delhi. So Delhi has got many districts. Out of those districts, only New Delhi is the capital of India. So there's one more, 11th, National aquatic animal. So write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.